Hello everyone, welcome to the current affairs at the YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do important current affairs MCQs from 8th January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. Please watch till the end. So coming to today's MCQs, the first one is, who stated that India has entered an era of clean green highways with bio-bitumen technology? Option C, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Bio-bitumen technology has been developed by which CSR institutes? Option B, that is Central Road Research Institute and Indian Institute of Petroleum. Bio-bitumen is produced using which process? Option C, pyrolysis. The trial sketch of bio-bitumen road was laid on which national highway? Option D, NH40, that is Zorabad to Shillong Expressway. India imports nearly what percentage of its bitumen requirement? Option C, 50%. The first training squadron deployment is part of which course? Option A, that is 110th Indian Naval Orientation Training Course. Which ships are part of the first training squadron? Option C, that is INS Thir, INS Shardul, INS Sujata and ICGS Sarathi. The draft Pesticide Management Bill 2025 will replace which act? Option B, Insecticides Act 1968. Last date to submit public comments on draft pesticides bill is? Option C, 4th February 2026. Which department signed MOU with Department of Posts for sample logistics? Option B, that is Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Indus Food 2026 will be held at? Option D, that is India Expo Center and Mart, Greater Noida. Indus Food 2026 is organized by? Option A, that is Trade Promotion Council of India. India UAE Food Corridor will be launched by? Option B, that is Abu Dhabi Food Hub. Author of the book Sing, Dance and Lead is? Option C, Hindol Sen Gupta. Total NQAS certified facilities as of December 2025 are? Option C, 50,373. International Institute for Democracy and Election Management 2026 will be held at Option D, Bharat Mandapam. What is the theme of International Institute for Democracy and Election Management Conference 2026 is? Option C, that is Democracy for an Inclusive, Peaceful, Resilient and Sustainable World. Which sector is the major growth driver in financial year 2025 to 26? Option A, service sector. Normal GDP growth for financial year 2025 to 26 is Option D, 8%. Guinness World Record for bituminous concrete was set up by Option C, that is National Highways Authority of India. Guinness World Record for bituminous concrete involved laying how many lane kilometers? Option B, 28.95 kilometers. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar visited which European country recently? Option A, Luxembourg. Luxembourg cooperation focus includes Option C, FinTech, Space and AI. Which initiative reflects the waste to wealth approach? Option D, biobitumen roads. India aims to achieve NQAS certification for at least what percentage of facilities by March 2026? Option C, 50%. Who will inaugurate Indus Food 2026? Option D, that is Union Minister of Food Processing Industries Shri Chirag Paswan. So that's it for today everyone. If you like this and find informative, please subscribe to my channel and I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.